In this video, I want to take the time to show you how to connect wired headphones to your iPad 11 generation with the A16 chip. So this iPad doesn't have, unfortunately, any headphone jack, as you probably noticed. The only way to connect a wired headphones that have a 3.5mm jack like this one is by using an adapter. One of these. Now there's so many brands that are making these, including Apple itself. I'll put links down below towards Amazon if you want to get one of these. This one is made by Anker, but as I said, it doesn't matter. The adapter should have a 3.5mm jack on one side, and on the other side a USB Type-C connector. And it's as easy as it is. You simply have to connect it down below in the USB Type-C port, and right away the iPad will recognize that you have input some headphones, and it will even tell you here, are you connecting a pair of headphones? Yes, so I will select headphones. And right now, let's say I go into the volume settings. By dragging down, you're going to see a headphone icon, and you'll be able to adjust the volume the way you wish. Now, there may be an issue over here that, as you see, the USB Type-C port is taken by this headphone adapter. So if you want to charge your iPad at the same time, let's say you're watching a movie and the battery is almost depleted, well, you'll need a different type of the adapter if this is your need. They also sell these that is USB Type-C. Okay, let me connect it in the iPad over here. But now you have two connectors. One of them is for the headphone jack, the 3.5mm. So you're going to connect your headphones over here. And the other one is USB Type-C. So in a way, you're not losing any ports by connecting some headphones. You'll be able to charge your iPad at the same time. Again, I'll put a link in the description if you prefer having this adapter instead. Thanks for watching. If you found my video helpful, take a moment, comment down below, tell me it worked, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.